Today, we're diving into how to integrate Screaming Frog SEO Spider with Bright Data Proxies to supercharge your SEO strategy. Screaming Frog SEO Spider is a powerful website crawler that helps you collect essential data for search engine optimization. It crawls websites' links, images, CSS, scripts, and apps, providing valuable insights to enhance your SEO efforts. Why integrate Screaming Frog with Bright Data Proxies? By integrating Screaming Frog with Bright Data, you unlock numerous benefits. Improved data collection. Access and collect data more efficiently with higher success rates using residential and data center proxies. Autonomy and security. Ensure autonomy and your security for your web scraping activities with Bright Data's robust infrastructure and advanced proxy rotation techniques. Global coverage. Collect data from websites worldwide with Bright Data's extensive proxy network spanning over 195 countries. Let's get started with the integration process. Step 1. Download Screaming Frog SEO Spider. First, download Screaming Frog SEO Spider from the official website and install it on your system. Step 2. Launch the application. After installation, launch the application. Navigate to File in the top left menu, then click on Settings and choose Proxy from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Use Proxy option. Choose the Use Proxy option and get ready to enter the proxy details provided by Bright Data. Step 4. Navigate to the proxy dashboard. Go to your Bright Data dashboard and select the proxy type. The residential zone is ideal for this integration. Step 5. Insert necessary proxy details. Click on the relevant proxy zone. A residential zone is recommended for this integration. Configure the zone based on the preferred location, IP type, and security preferences. Click on Access Parameters to find the necessary details for Screaming Frog. Step 6. Enter proxy configuration in Screaming Frog. In Screaming Frog, under Proxy Configuration, enter host address, brd.superproxy.io in the address field, and port number, 22225 in the port field. Step 7. Restart Screaming Frog. Click OK and restart Screaming Frog to apply the new proxy settings. Step 8. Authentication prompt. When initiating the crawl, enter the username and password details provided in your proxy zone's configuration page into the authentication prompt. Step 9. Save settings. Save your settings and start using Screaming Frog SEO Spider with Bright Data's proxy network. Conclusion. Integrating Bright Data's proxies with Screaming Frog SEO Spider will optimize the way you crawl a website, allow you to scrape data in the way local visitors do, and speed up the data collection process for larger websites. By leveraging this power combination, you can improve your SEO strategy and make better data-driven decisions for your business. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, happy crawling!